What's the meaning of chain smoke? Chain smoke. Chain smoke.
Chain smoke. Chain smoke. Chain smoke refers to the act of smoking multiple cigarettes in quick succession, without pausing for an extended period of time. This behavior can have negative consequences on a person's health, resulting in an increased risk of lung cancer, heart disease, and other respiratory problems. Additionally, it can also lead to a dependence on nicotine and a worsening of addiction. Chain smoking can also have social and financial consequences, such as alienation from non-smokers and increased expenses due to the need to purchase more cigarettes.